go.
This is the way back up. Holy fuck.
Are you ready?
So finally we meet the left branch of the Albert River, Black Canyon. We had to leave off the Albert River and follow an incredibly steep track climb down into the valley below. Looking up, you can see all the cliffs were flowing with water. On the day, due to recent rainfall, so much water meant we really had to be careful how we crossed that stream. The leap of death! Made it. On the day I was armed with my iPhone and my GoPro, but I could never really do this place any justice with how beautiful it actually was. Giant stream lilies hung off the walls, moisture everywhere, lichens, mosses. It was extremely beautiful. This area of the park is known as the Green Mountain section. Now, this is a video shot from an iPhone. The green I saw on that day is just impossible to describe. Absolutely incredible. We're going to go up and over. I've never seen anything like it. Well, now you have, mate. Now you have. I've never seen anything like it. I really don't know why I kept saying that, but I do remember at that time just being so blown away. I think that's the only thing I could really say about it. I've never seen anything like it. Well, we have now. And there it is, Thunder and Lightning Falls. I used my little drone to do this. I took several photos with my phone as well. But honestly, that whole event, just getting into that waterfall, just being, there's Kyle having a snack. Just being blown away by the whole experience of it. Truly incredible place. See what I just did there, people? Slow-mo droplet coming off a bit of a rainforest leaf. Fancy. Anyway, it was time for me and Kyle to start heading back. We wanted to get back before dark at least. This quick little drone shot just coming down the gorge just to show you all how beautiful it is and just how rocky as well. So cool. Real jungle. I think I counted about 7 of these random waterfalls that aren't even on the map. So if you do end up coming down here, you're looking at least an hour each way of this sort of scrambling, ending up in the joint. And now we're back to the big climb. Up we go again. This is a bit on the steep side of things. I don't think I've been on a steeper track in my life.
Piece of cake.
Yeah. So once you get back up onto the Albert River circuit, it's all pretty smooth sailing, especially when you hit the border track. It's all downhill. What a day.